Well, today we introduce you to the contest winner, and later on we show you the tape that got him here.
And we'll show you that Hawaii is more than just a tropical paradise. This chain of islands has wind, water, rainforests, and desert, all within minutes of each other. Our adventure begins on the island of Kauai. He's actually excited today because there's just no way I'm going to have to bring him back in a kayak and potentially turn him over in the water. So he's really excited today.
We got a lesson in safety, which included how to equalize the pressure in our ears.
Yeah, jaw. What else? We got jaw, we got... Make weird faces, I guess, and try and get yours to pop. That's what I'm going to do.
Neptune's dive helmets are unique in that a second line allows Shea to provide live narration during the tour. Owner John Rawson makes sure each diver can hear.
Right on. Welcome to the bottom of Namalu Bay.
Moving underwater is like being in slow motion. You feel as though you're walking on the moon.
Yeah, I love it. Everything you do down here is going to be graceful. So you can do anything, it'll look beautiful.
Welcome back to Earth. Thank you very much. Woo, that is sweet. That is sweet. All right, here we go.
At about 6 a.m., the temperature bottomed out at a brisk 45 degrees. But that was standing still before we started the 38-mile ride with Maui Mountain Cruisers.
Of course, as we're rolling down here, the old wind chill's picking right up. Ooh, man, it's a little nippy. Nippy on the face. Feeling good, baby. Feeling good.
Jim Cantori's a slowpoke.
So far, Joel's taken our WeatherQuest hurdles in stride. But when we come back, he'll face one obstacle that'll bring him to a crawl.
Later on Atmospheres, we'll show you why we picked Joel to be our WeatherQuest winner. But first, explore the depths of 30,000-year-old lava tubes and find out how volcanoes change the weather. Also ahead, dangerous, destructive waves. It's coming up after the break.
Atmospheres continues with your host, Mish Michaels.
Every one of the Hawaiian Islands was born from a lava eruption beneath the Pacific Ocean. Most of us think that volcanoes are geological, not meteorological. But as we found out on WeatherQuest, that's not entirely true. After heading to the top of Haleakala, our Atmospheres crew wanted to get to the bottom of the science behind volcanoes. We headed east to the lush side of Maui near the town of Hana.
Yeah, this is a lot nicer than sitting this close to Cantori.
The 49-year-old Indiana native is a self-taught volcano speleologist. That means he knows a lot about lava tubes like this one.
Ready? Off we go. Yes. And you'll see what those Kevlar gloves are all about. You'll definitely appreciate those. Don't worry, Joel will catch you if you fall.
You guys don't have anything like this in Oklahoma, do you? 12 miles east of the summit, the Pu'u'o'o vent releases about 2,000 metric tons of sulfur dioxide each day.
The huge smoke plume you see coming out of the Pu'u'o'o vent, 70% of that is made up of steam.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
We had hoped to see some red-hot lava on this trip, but no such luck. Even so, it was enough to catch a bird's-eye view of new Earth being made.
Kind of breezy.
Yeah, it is. Sure is.
We recorded gusts of 31 miles per hour with a constant speed of about 25 miles per hour.
This is just the trades. This is just the prevailing wind flow around the subtropical high to our north, so you got a clockwise flow, and now we're on the south side of that, so we're getting the northeast flow here.
The winds here certainly felt extreme, but it was nothing compared to the changes we were about to experience. For our final WeatherQuest adventure, we joined Rob Pacheco of Hawaii Forest and Trail. He drove us to the top of Mauna Kea, the highest mountain on Earth when measured from the sea floor.
You know, when you grabbed this park at sea level, it really didn't seem like it was really going to be all that useful, but I got to tell you, I'm so happy to have so many layers on right now.
There's the temperature. We're just above freezing. Wind chill, 16. But look at the relative humidity right there at 92%. So even though we're 13,000 feet up, we're almost saturated. And that makes sense because if you look around you, you've got this mist and cloud cover.
The cloud cover didn't get in our way for long. By the time the sunlight disappeared, the night sky was magnificent. It was the perfect end to our trip. So close to the sky, we felt like we could touch it.
We hope you enjoyed WeatherQuest as much as we did.
Stay tuned for the latest on your nation's weather. That's coming up at the top of the hour. But first, you'll have a chance to check out your local forecast.
And for all of us here at the Atmospheres team, have a great week, everybody.
We'll see you next week.